What's up mga bike buds? Kamusta na? Kamusta na? So today, itutuloy na natin yung pag-start ng build ng ating year 2000 GT Dyno Comp Zone. It's a black chromo frame with stainless na fork. I've gotten most of the parts. I think wala na lang ako ngayon is gulong, seat post, may saddle naman ako. Because the seat post, I have to identify pa kung ano yung size ng seat post. Malaki yung seat clamp na 31.8. So, it might be a 28.6 seat clamp and a 25.4 na seat post. So, identify ko pa yun. So, ayan. Pero, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung simula ng ginawa ko kasi nagpagawa muna ako ng wheel set. And then, tutuloy-tuloy na natin yung build. Yun, mga bike buds, kamusta na? So, itong frame na to, this is a 2000 GT Dyno na zone. Dyno zone siya. Dyno Comp Zone. This is a year 2000 and yan, bubuhay na natin siya. We'll put a black rims and then ayan pabubuo ko yung this uses a 14 millimeter na 14 millimeter na axle. So it's either I use a converter or bumili ako ng 14 millimeter na hubs, but the other one pwede siyang pwede siyang 9 millimeter. So tignan muna natin. Today papagawa ko muna yung rims niya, pabubuo muna natin, and then we'll find tires for it, and then probably on the next video ile-layout na natin yung parts for the build. Alright, ito muna yan. Tatanong tayo, this is a UK Japan na it's a 1.5 lang, so siguro ang max na tire na ilalagay natin dito mga 2.2. Yan yung max. Pero I'll see. Good morning mga bike buds. So today kukuhanin natin yung pinagawa nating wheel set. Tingnan natin yung itsura. Okay, lakad muna tayo. Okay, so kuhanin natin yung asan nyo? Ito bro. Ano? Ito boss. 1-1. Aray. Pobre simple. Hindi pobreng mahirap. Pobreng simple. Kasi yung pobre pwedeng simple lang. Sige boss, thank you. Ayan, ito na. Nakuha na natin. So, lilinisin ko na lang yung rim nito eh. Ayan. Alright, yan. So, nakuha na natin. We just came from the shop. This is UK Japan. So, basically, installation lang kasi tinatamad na ako buo ng spokes. So, yan. UK Japan. And then, this is a DBS hubs na I got somewhere a long time ago. And it's alloy, but ball bearing siya, but that's fine. Yan, so ito yung rear, and that's the front. Ito yung front. So this is 9 millimeter, 10 millimeter pala na axle. Our frame is a big axle, 14 millimeter. So I bought a converter na lang. So that's easier. Kasi I don't want to buy a big axle staggered na hubs kasi so expensive, and this is just a bike, a bin build, a parts bin build. So kung ano lang yung meron ako dito, I'm making use of it. So yeah, the next step is to buy tires, of course, rim tape dito, and then I have a handlebar, I have grips. I'm still deciding whether to put white stuff or black stuff. So we'll see pa.